Sriracha is a vibrant hot sauce that has become a staple in kitchens around the world. Made from red jalapeño peppers, garlic, vinegar, sugar, and salt, it offers a unique balance of heat and sweetness. Its roots trace back to the coastal town of Sriracha in Thailand, where local fishermen originally crafted it to enhance the flavors of their seafood. However, it was David Tran, a Vietnamese immigrant, who developed his own version of Sriracha in the late 1980s, creating a sauce that would soon captivate the American palate. The sauce was initially sold to local Vietnamese restaurants in the area. What started as a small, family-run operation quickly grew, thanks to the sauce's growing popularity in Southern California's food scene. In February 1980, he founded Huy Fong Foods, naming it after the freighter that carried him to America. Since 2014, his factory in Irwindale has become not only a place to produce great bottles of hot sauce, but also a tourist attraction. You'll definitely be curious about how millions of these bottles are made every year in the United States. Let's dive into the journey of how your favorite hot sauce is produced on a massive scale. The key ingredient in Huy Fong Sriracha is, of course, fresh red jalapeno peppers. For decades, the company sourced these peppers from Underwood ranches in California. Known for their high quality, these peppers are harvested at the peak of ripeness to ensure the best flavor. But Huy Fong cannot maintain such a fresh supply. In 2017, a legal dispute ended Huy Fong's long-standing partnership with Underwood Ranches, forcing the company to find new suppliers. As they began sourcing peppers from Mexico, they faced challenges as droughts affected the crops, leading to shortages in 2020 and 2022. Even in 2024, Huy Fong uses mature red jalapeno peppers and about 5% green peppers, harvested once a year in the fall, ensuring perfect color and complex flavor. The jalapenos are transported to the factory within 3-4 hours of being harvested, ensuring that the peppers are at their peak flavor when they arrive. Up to 40 21-ton trucks are delivered to the factory. The peppers are first washed and sorted to remove any debris. Then ground into a mash with salt, distilled vinegar, and preservatives. This process releases the vibrant flavors locked within the peppers. Wonder what it feels like to stand here?
It's very, it's harsh.
The most hot right here,
Right here. Yeah.
The mash in the mill is pumped through pipes to 55-gallon barrels for storage, keeping it fresh and fermenting. Since Huy Fong's chilies are harvested just once a year, they store most of the paste to ensure a steady supply for customers year-round. These barrels will then be transferred to the mixing room. The paste is pumped through pipes directly into the mixer, where it begins its transformation into the signature Sriracha sauce. Next, minced garlic or garlic powder and sugar are added. This combination creates the signature taste that Sriracha is known for. Before leaving the factory, the sauce is carefully bottled into sizes ranging from 9 ounces to the massive 136 ounces bottles, ensuring there's a perfect size for every Sriracha lover. The bottling and packaging process at Huy Fong Foods utilizes an advanced automated system, ensuring efficiency and consistency. In all, 3,000 bottles are produced every hour, which is around 20 million bottles a year. Each bottle and cap is produced in-house, featuring the iconic rooster logo, a nod to David Tran, who was born in the year of the rooster. While most brands opt for a white cap, Huy Fong chose green to symbolize the freshness of their hot sauce.
一般的罐瓶，它的盖子是白色，我们的盖子是绿色，是它代表辣椒酱是新鲜的。
Additionally, Each bottle displays product information in 5 languages, making it accessible to people from various cultural backgrounds. Huy Fong Sriracha can be found on shelves in grocery stores across the country and around the world thanks to their dedicated distribution network. Sriracha's popularity has skyrocketed in recent years. What started as a niche product has transformed into a culinary staple. Food lovers incorporate it into everything from gourmet dishes to everyday meals. From the farm to the bottle, the journey of Huy Fong Sriracha is a testament to quality, passion, and dedication. Whether you're using it to spice up a dish or enjoying it straight from the bottle, Sriracha continues to bring people together through its bold flavor. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey. If you enjoyed learning about how Sriracha is made, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Sriracha recipes in the comments below.